If you are looking for a soft, spongy, nutritious breakfast recipe, then this is it. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her Healthy Recipes channel. Dalia idli is one of my husband's favorite idlis or favorite breakfast recipes. He prefers these idlis to the typical traditional rice rava idlis. So here's presenting a very nutritious breakfast recipe that goes very well with chana dal chutney. If you're looking for chana dal chutney recipe, let me know in comments. I have already posted the video. For this recipe you need half cup of dalia or broken wheat and half cup of sooji. Add 1 cup of carrot, and this is an instant idli recipe, though you can keep this batter overnight. Half cup of curd, mix well, and then just check the consistency of the batter. It will be very thick because dalia is whole grain and it absorbs a lot of moisture. Then we'll be adding half cup more of water or buttermilk. Now you may keep this overnight. As I said, in winters I prefer to keep it overnight, and sometimes I bake it instantly. So keep it aside for 30 minutes, mix again, and next we'll be adding half teaspoon of salt. Salt as per preference. Now I have also gone ahead and added a little amount of beetroot puree. I'll show that as well. That is completely optional, that I added it for color. Curry leaves and green chili. If you are making this recipe for kids, then omit chilies. Grease idli tray and then add 2 pinches of baking soda. Now this is baking soda is just to make these dalia idlis little more softer. Okay. Now add 1 tablespoon of curd, mix very well, and grease idli trays and pour the batter. And this is what I added: 1 tablespoon of beetroot water to color this. Nothing extra, nothing more than this. And then preheat the steamer and then place the idli trays. If you don't have this idli steamer, no worries. I often make idlis in my normal pressure cooker as well. This is my mother-in-law's idli steamer or idli cooker, but I don't have this type of cooker back home, so I steam idlis in my pressure cooker only. And this steamer steams idlis really quickly, within 4 to 5 minutes. And if you don't have an idli steamer, please steam these in pressure cooker. Though idlis may take a little longer in pressure cooker, remove upon cooling and look at this softness, soft, spongy and colorful. And these idlis will be appealing to kids and elders alike, and are a very good source of nutrition for growing up little ones. If you are baby weaning, you can take these idlis in your diet. This is good for heart patients, these are good for diabetes, these are good for overall nourishment to a healthy body. If you want to be healthy, include these delicious idlis in your diet. You will love these, and I often prefer to dry roast dalia before adding to any recipe that adds to the flavor. If you liked this instant dalia idli recipe, then please hit the like, share and subscribe button.